Have you ever wondered what happens when the ancient wisdom of religion meets the cutting-edge world of technology? Well, you're about to find out. We're standing at a unique crossroads where faith and artificial intelligence intersect. Picture this: the Holy Bible, one of the most widely read books in the world, being translated by a machine learning algorithm. Yes, you heard it right. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now capable of understanding and translating the sacred text into numerous languages, making it accessible to a wider audience than ever before. It's a fascinating blend of the old and the new, where centuries-old scriptures are being deciphered by the most advanced technological systems humanity has to offer. This isn't just about translation, it's about accessibility, about spreading a message of faith and hope to corners of the world where it was previously unreachable. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the fascinating process of AI Bible translation. So, how does an artificial intelligence translate the Bible? Well, let's start with the basics of artificial intelligence. AI, as it's often called, is a branch of computer science that involves the development of machines and software that can perform tasks which would ordinarily require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, decision-making, and language translation. Now, when it comes to translating texts, AI uses a process known as machine learning. In this process, algorithms are used to analyze huge amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions. In the case of Bible translation, the AI is fed with a large number of religious texts, not just in English, but in other languages as well. This allows the AI to learn the nuances and complexities of religious language. But the process doesn't stop there. The AI also takes into account the context, culture, and historical background of the text. This is important because language is more than just words. It involves meanings, connotations, and emotions that can vary depending on the context. For example, a word in the Bible may have a different meaning in a different culture or time period. By considering these factors, the AI can provide a more accurate and nuanced translation. In a nutshell, AI Bible translation is a fascinating blend of ancient wisdom and cutting-edge technology. It's a testament to how far we've come and a glimpse of where we might be heading. So what have we learned today about the intersection of religion and technology? We've delved into the intriguing concept of AI Bible translation, unraveling the complex process behind it. We've also explored the potential benefits of employing AI in religious contexts, such as increasing accessibility and precision, alongside the challenges, like maintaining the essence and intent of the original text. The blend of ancient wisdom and modern technology is truly fascinating, and it's exciting to imagine where it might take us in the future.